Hi there everyone, this is Julie. I'm going to talk to you about SwingFit and how you can bring the joy of fitness to lots and lots of people in your community and earn an income at the same time. So as you know, we don't get involved with SwingFit because of money. We get involved with SwingFit because we believe in it. We believe that it's fun and friendly and that we would have fun dancing and providing uplifting, joyful experiences for our class members. Having said that, we need to find that balance between making it work and being so idealistic that we don't get enough people into our classes. So I'm going to show you in an example as to how you should look at your numbers and think about how many people you would ideally like for your classes. Some of us are doing it as a part-time income, some of us are including that in the many classes we already teach, and some of us are doing it for a little bit of a holiday money. But all of us have this in common: we're doing it because we love the classes and we believe in improving the health and well-being of our community. So let us look at a few numbers and get ourselves organized and prepared to start our classes. This is a little example of a financial forecast of what you can make when you teach a SwingFit class. As you know, many of our SwingFit classes are very popular, and there are a couple of classes where there are at least 40 to 55 ladies every single week. However, when you first start out, you might want to aim for a smaller number. It depends on how you feel about teaching a small or large class. For some of you, a small class would help you feel more confident gradually, and for some of you, you're going to aim high and you'd like to get a large hall and get lots of ladies in your class. So it's completely up to you. I'm here to do a little illustration for you, so to give you an idea. Alright, so this worksheet shows you a scenario if you had one class per week. Okay, I'm going to send this to all of you who ask for it. If you look at the bottom here, this worksheet tells me 2 classes per week. Let me make this a little bit bigger. There we go. These are the figures for 2 classes per week. And these are the figures for 3 classes per week. So let's start off with 1 class per week. You would charge £5 per person that comes to your class, and if you get 10 ladies, you would get £200. If you get 10 ladies, you will get £200 per month. If you get 20 ladies in your class, you'll get £400 per month, and so on. And if you have a large hall and you get 60 ladies, you get £1,200 per month. Let's say we start off with 10 ladies. Your costs need to be taken into consideration. I would suggest that you hire a smaller, cheaper hall if you only have 10, and hire a larger hall, possibly a sports centre, if you have 60 ladies. So the cost I put in for venue hire is different for each of these. Okay, so this is a £10 an hour hall. So once a month you pay £40. So your costs also include a music license, which I will explain in a lot more detail on your training day. So your music license comes to about £1.50 per class, and then in a month you would have to pay £6. Now this is based on how many classes, so your cost will be the same all the way through, even if you have 60 people. The venue hire would be more if you get a larger class. Your insurance is the same per year. So the insurance that I look at is with the Foundation for Community Dance, and it's £90 per year, and that works out to about £7.50. The license fee that you would pay to SwingFit will be £30 a month, and you can have up to 3 classes for the same price. So as you can see, this doesn't increase. It doesn't increase. So if you are aiming for higher figures, you can see that with some of the costs being fixed, your profit will be quite a good one. So coming back to 10 people at class, you would make a profit of £1,281 in a year. I'm assuming your year would be 11 months of working, because you probably like to take some time off. So in a year you get more than 1,002, and that would pay for a nice little holiday. Now then, if you were to aim for 20 people in a class to get a bit more of an atmosphere and a bit more liveliness and a higher profit. So as you can see, just teaching one class, and if you get, let's say 50, if you get up to 50, you would earn nearly £10,000 a year. So at the moment, in some of my SwingFit classes, I have between 40 to 55 ladies. So let's get all excited and go on and check 3 classes a week. So same kind of figures. You have a small hall for 10 people, and if you taught 3 classes, you get quite a nice holiday there as well. Now, if you were super excited to really expand your classes and you get 50 ladies, if you get 50 ladies in every class and you teach 3 classes a week, you could earn around £30,000 a year, which is quite a nice figure. So as you can see, if you're aiming to make a profit, you need to get people into your classes, and as part of your training you will be shown how to recruit members and how to retain members. It is in our attitude and our positivity, and it's us being organized, that will bring and retain members in your classes. So if you have any questions, come and ask me. I'm very excited to bring everyone this opportunity to share in the joy of fitness, and to give you the opportunity to earn a bit of extra income doing what you love.